Lando Norris clinched his first Formula One victory at the Miami Grand Prix, marking a milestone in his career. Starting fifth, Norris capitalized on a mid-race safety car to take the lead. What a race! "It's been a long time coming," said Norris, celebrating with his McLaren team. Max Verstappen led initially, but a mistake at turn 14 allowed Norris to gain an advantage. A safety car incident involving Kevin Magnussen and Logan Sargent further shifted the race dynamics. Norris pitted strategically, emerging ahead of Verstappen and Charles Leclerc, and maintained his lead to the finish. The Miami Grand Prix attracted a sellout crowd of 275,799, including sports stars like LeBron James and Serena Williams and musicians like Shakira and Zayn Malik. The event was a showcase of Miami's allure, with celebrities mingling on the grid and enjoying the thrilling race atmosphere. Beyond the race, fans enjoyed performances by DJs like Kaytranada and Cascade. Mark Anthony sang the national anthem, adding to the weekend's excitement. The event also featured the Porsche Carrera Cup and the F1 Academy Series, making it a memorable experience for all attendees.